Hey guys, this is Gio from Smart Home Makers. Welcome to another video. In this video, I've got one of my oldest smart gadgets, this Amazon Generation 1 Echo device. I've had this device for nearly 4 years now, so in this video I'm going to give you my long-term review. I'm going to actually tell you how I use it day in, day out, how I initially used it before and how I'm using it now. This Amazon Echo Generation 1 was originally purchased in September 2016. I was very excited when I bought this initially, but I didn't know what to expect and what to do with it overall. And I've been having it for at least 4 generations. Now we're on the 4th generation of Amazon devices, and I'm still using this 1st generation one. I'll tell you actually why in this video. But first of all, just want to give you a little bit of a tour if you're not familiar with it. You've got the volume here swiveling around. So this is to control the volume. You can mute here and you can see the red button. Very simple design. It looks old, I guess, after 4 years at this stage, but you know, it's not too bad wherever I've got it. So initially this was in the living room, and this was more of like a party joke. So, you know, saying things like, tell me a joke.
Why do potatoes make good detectives? Because they keep their eyes peeled.
So things like this basically was sort of the initial stages of what we used to use it for. But things evolved quite a lot, and we started getting more and more familiar with it. So we do use it to turn things on and off, lights and stuff, but not that frequently since we started using motion sensors. So we really don't use this much as a smart device. Now I'm aware that the newer versions of these devices actually act like a Zigbee hub, which are really useful if you need one, but I don't use it for this reason. I actually tell you what I do with it right now. So let's start with some entertainment. So one thing that we do is seldomly we play this game called Akinator. Play Akinator.
Hi, I'm Akinator. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready? Thanks for playing.
So you can play these fun games. It's quite a nice game to play. For example, if you've got a few people around. You can do simple things like asking for the weather. So that's what I do in the morning. Do I need an umbrella tomorrow?
It might rain tomorrow. There's a 56% chance. You can expect about 0.8 millimeters.
So you can ask these sort of questions. You can also tailor them to a location, but I really don't do that. You just use it, just ask the question, do I need an umbrella or not? Other thing you can do if you've got a lot of Amazon deliveries coming around, when you have a notification for the delivery, so when the delivery is due, you'll see like an orange ring around. Are there any deliveries due?
4 packages for Giordano's order should arrive tomorrow.
You can also do things like buy some batteries.
Based on your order history, I found Duracell Plus Power Type 9V alkaline batteries.
So as you can see, it looks at your search history. It's a bit limited, but it could be useful for certain use cases when you finish that pack of dishwasher tablets that you normally buy from Amazon. You can just ask the device and still use it. What else I use this for? If you've got Kindle or Audible, this can link into that. So if I say, read Harry Potter.
Getting your book from Audible. Resuming Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, Book 6.
The Back Door of the Burrow.
Stop. This is very cool. Listening to audiobooks could be something that will keep you company once in a while. So, you know, it's a nice feature. Links all up with Audible. I believe Audible, you can give it a go with a free trial if you want to give it a go. And you can you own it forever. You don't have to have a membership. I don't currently have a membership, but can still listen to these audiobooks through this Alexa device. And actually the sound, it is okay. I mean, this is the 1st generation one, but you know, it fills up a quite decent room, so you can hear the voice beautifully. I mean, it's nothing special. If you're an Alexa owner and you love your Alexa device, then give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. We're now trying to reach out to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So other things you can do, podcasts, play the Dave Ramsey podcast.
Here's the Dave Ramsey Show from Amazon Music. Playing the latest episode, Should We Get Married in Our 60s?
Very simple, you can play podcasts, you can also play music. Now I use this for certain specific type of music. It would depend if you have a membership or not. I have an Apple Music account and I don't believe Apple Music is compatible with this device. So that is a bit of a limitation in my use case, but I can go like playing nursery rhymes.
Here's a station you might like. Nursery rhymes on Amazon Music.
For example, that could be really useful when you are soothing a baby or you've got a newborn, you've got a lot of things going on at the same time, and you can just ask Alexa to play some nursery rhymes, and it sort of you can ask it to loop through certain songs. For example, if you're doing like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, something like this. And I think nowadays you can get the baby version one, which you can put. I think it looks nicer, but I'll try and find a link in the description down below. You can find down below all these all the Amazon devices, Echoes and all that stuff. What else do we use this for? Just simple alarms. Have I got an alarm?
You have 2 alarms. 6 a.m. tomorrow and 7:15 a.m. tomorrow.
Okay, so that's quite cool. So you can have multiple alarms. Don't know what the limit is, but we have 2 different alarms. One of the best ways of setting up alarms. I mean, you can do so many things with these devices. What I'm talking about in this video is more things that I do with the device and how we use it. And we've been using it for like 4 years, rather than all of the functionality and whatever you can do, because there's so many things you can do, so many Alexa skills you can enable. But we do get a lot of value out of this. To let you know, we bought this for £99. We've had this for like over 4 years, so it's been a lot valuable. And now thinking about that, you can actually buy one of these, I think now for like £30, the Dot, and the newer version for £50, so half the price, but same functionality, probably better, setup, speaker volume and all that stuff. Other thing you can do with this device is that you can do like a simple news briefing. So I can say, for example, what is my news briefing?
Giordano, here's what's new. From Sky News.
From the Sky News Centre at 10, Jeremy Corbyn.
So if we go as an example, you can configure the actual news broadcaster, probably depending on where you live. You can do all sorts of things, and you can listen to the news while you're getting prepared in the morning. You can say, Alexa, good morning.
Good morning, and a happy 25th birthday to the James Bond film GoldenEye, the first of 4 films to...
You've got so many things that you can actually do. It is quite incredible. Other thing you can do is you can use your mobile phone and you can use the Alexa app. And within the Alexa app, you can actually do a drop-in. So from the app, you can talk to the speaker, and that might be useful if you need to, if in case of an emergency and whoever's at home not answering their phone, but you need to communicate something it's quite pressing. So you can drop into this device and then send out a broadcast or a message or something quite urgent. Never really use this feature. But I've thought of there were times that this could have been useful. That's the difficulty with these devices, that they offer so many features that it is difficult to keep track, and it's difficult to actually understand. Remember you've got it and to use it. There's so many things you can do with it, but I think over the years you have it and you get other devices and you sort of forget about this and all the things this can do, and all the other voice assistants I have. Now, if you're looking for a voice assistant and you're still not sure, I don't think this is the right one for you, then click on this other video that I'm going to show right now, and you can check out my Google Mini or my Apple HomePod. See you in the next video.